Hello everyone, back with an IRS tax refund update. As we continue to monitor the latest developments this tax season, we do now have the latest release date for the next batch of tax refunds scheduled to go out, so we'll take a look at that. Meanwhile, as many continue to experience delays in the processing of their tax refunds, we will recap on some of those tax transcript codes, as well as the latest numbers released by the IRS on where things currently stand, as well as an update for those still waiting on those 2020 amended tax returns. The leading story of the week is that the next round of tax refunds is scheduled to be released to banks nationwide on Wednesday, April 13th. Now, while most of those part of this batch will receive that direct deposit the day of, some may not see it appear for an additional day or two. If you're part of this batch and do not receive that deposit by Monday, April 18th, then you may need to initiate a payment trace with the IRS. Now, we are still seeing instances in which refund status results on the IRS website are not updating, reflecting that refund release date, so do make sure to check your tax transcripts online and locate the 846 code as seen here to confirm if you're part of this latest refund batch. Now, the latest numbers out of the IRS are showing over 91 million tax returns have so far been submitted this year, with 97% of them totaling over 89 million having already been processed by the IRS. On the refund side of things, over 63 million refunds have been issued, totaling over $204 billion, with the average refund coming out to be $3,226. Meanwhile, as many taxpayers continue to experience extended delays in the processing of their tax refunds, we know the IRS still has a backlog of over 7 million tax returns to process from previous years, and there are more than 10 million tax returns from this year that contain errors that need to be corrected before refunds can be issued. For those encountering tax topic code 151 like seen here when checking the status of your refund results, do expect delays in the processing of your tax refund as the IRS has identified a potential issue with your tax return. In some cases, but not all, the IRS will request additional information before they can process your refund. A number of taxpayers claiming EITC or CTC have reported being asked to provide additional information in regards to their dependents. For those taxpayers seeing codes 971 and 570 on their tax transcripts as seen here, tax code 570 refers to a tax return that has been placed on hold. Now, the hold may be due to a variety of reasons, and so far this tax season, we have seen a high frequency of holds relating to the IRS needing to reconcile tax credits, in particular EITC, recovery rebate credits, and child tax credits before issuing those tax refunds. It is important to note if you're seeing both of these codes but with the same date listed, then that means the IRS has auto-adjusted your refund, and based off what we have seen with others, it should be processed within a week's time. If you're seeing both codes with a different date like seen here, it means the IRS is continuing to process the return and reconcile the issue. Meanwhile, code 971 refers to the letter sent to you about the issue. Meanwhile, an update for those of you still waiting on those 2020 amended tax returns to be processed and refunds issued, we're starting to see movement finally for those impacted. There are numerous taxpayers who have been waiting over a year now for these amended returns to be processed, but do note in the last several weeks we have seen an increase in reports of those finally reporting progress. As a reminder for those still waiting to file their taxes and who received advanced child tax credit payments in 2021, to use the total listed in Box 1 of Letter 6419 when completing your tax returns. If you did not receive Letter 6419 from the IRS detailing the amount of advanced CTC payments you received, you will need to log into your irs.gov account as seen here to obtain that number. Inaccurate payment amounts entered will cause a delay in the processing of your tax refund. Let us know in the comment section below what problem you're currently experiencing and if you've received your refund as of yet. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on that subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.